Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video on the build bench. Today we're going to be taking a look at a couple of sets of fans. So you could say they're the same fan. Obviously one is RGB, one is no RGB. These are, as you can see, Thermalright C12C and the C12CS being the RGB model. Now, I love Thermalright products. I think for the price, you basically can't go wrong when it comes to anything Thermalright, like tower air coolers, AIOs, fans, so on and so forth. I've always used Thermalright products. These, I paid, it's £12 for a pack of 3 on Amazon. I will just check that actually, because let me see. Yeah, £12.29 for a pack of 3. There you go there. I mean, can you really, like, a pack of 3 fans for £12.29? A pack of 3 RGB fans, because it's specifically this one that was on Amazon, for £12.29. Like, a tiny bit over £4 per fan. That's insane value. So like I said, obviously we have the RGB model, we have the black model. But yeah, like, if anyone out there is looking for a decent set of cheap fans, especially in the 3-pack, then these are probably your best bet. Like I said, whether you want RGB, not RGB, so on and so forth. I'm just going to try and pull these out of this box, which isn't easy to do one-handed. But yes, give me 1 second, because they put them in a plastic bag. Now, so this is basically what you get. So you've got obviously your 12 screws for mounting to your case. They come in this little plastic bag. And obviously an absolute mess of wires, but move them to there. So yeah, your basic 120mm sort of fan. Now these use a fluid dynamic bearing. They're not maglev, obviously, at that price, but the fluid dynamic bearings aren't that bad. These have a max speed of 1550 RPM, which is more than fast enough for even radiator use. They have a maximum airflow of 66 CFM, and they use obviously your standard 4-pin PWM connector on your motherboard, so your motherboard can control the speed. And then obviously here you have your ARGB header, and then obviously under that cover is like the daisy chain, so you can link them all together. So yeah, I won't bother opening this box because they basically look identical to that, except the blades are obviously black. Obviously these do come with like rubber anti-vibration pads, like on both sides of the fan, already pre-installed. Now, to show you what they look like in a computer, I already have C12s in my rig. Now, obviously when it's ARGB, you can control it with whichever respective, like, motherboard RGB sort of app or whatever that you're using. Mine is ASRock's ASRGB LED program. It's not the best program, but it's not terrible. So I will load that up quickly and then show you them on different modes and stuff like that, so you can see what the lighting's like properly on them. I think the lighting's really good. I mean, mine might look a bit dim because they are a bit dusty at the minute. But yeah, we'll see. This ASRock program is utter garbage. So yeah, obviously I've got the two ARGB headers listed here. So obviously we highlight this one now. This is the goldy coloured fans down here. Now if we go from static to, I don't know, let's go rainbow. There you go. Or we can have like a water effect, like that. Or a neon effect, something called spring. They have a stack effect, something called cram. But yeah, they're I think the RGB looks great on them. Now the RGB is obviously in the hub for these. It's not like cheap fans where it's just like a LED strip that goes around the outside of the fan. But yeah, like I said, if you're after a fan with like really good lighting, then like I said, at £4 a fan, just over £4 a fan, or £12 for a 3-pack or whatever, you can't really complain. And I suppose the good thing about Thermalright as well, when you get them, all Thermalright products come with this authentication tag on the front, but you can scratch it off to check, or scan the QR code and check, make sure they are legit products, which ordering off Amazon I don't see why they wouldn't be. But yeah, like I said, for the price, if you're after a really good set of fans, whether it be the LED or just the plain black version, or there's white you can get as well, then I'd say go for a set like these. I don't think you can get any better, really. I know a lot of people are funny about fans and they want Noctuas and stuff like that, but Noctuas are so expensive for what they are, and like realistically, in day-to-day use of a PC, you're not going to get much more effect out of a Noctua fan than you are one of these Thermalright fans. So yeah, I'll leave this video there for now, guys. It was just a short one to show you these. I will be back in a couple of days with a video on a power supply I picked up in the Black Friday sales. But for now, guys, take it easy. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you all in the next video.